In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about the weather in English. Talking about the weather in English can help with your conversion skills. We will teach you phrases, idioms and vocabulary to describe weather in English. Continue improving speaking and vocabulary with an English teacher, Mr. Hernandez. Learn how to talk about the sunshine and describe weather in English. Get new words. This video will be very helpful if you are taking the Ielts, because they often ask if you talk about the weather in the speak section. Talking about the weather in English and spoken English lesson. In this lesson, you can learn useful English vocabulary and phrases to talk about different types of weather. How to use idioms and other native English phrases to describe different kinds of weather. How to use the new words and phrases in full, your English sentence. This video contains Ielts speaking general question about the topic of weather. All the questions are explained in detail with high vocabulary words along with braces. 1. What's the weather today? 2. What kind of weather do you like best? Why? 3. What's your favorite weather? Why? 4. What do you usually do during your favorite weather? 5. What's the weather usually like in your hometown? 6. Do you like the weather or that kind of climate? Why? Why not? 7. How often is the weather good in your hometown? 8. What did you do the last time the weather was good? 9. Are there any bad points about the weather in your city? 10. What is the typical weather in China like? 11. Have there been any changes in the weather over the past few years? 12. Does the weather ever affect what you do? 13. How does the weather affect people? How? 14. How do you feel when the weather is cloudy? 15. Do you always pay attention to the weather forecast? 16. Can you give any examples of unusual weather? 17. Do you like snow? 18. Would you prefer to live in a place that has just one warm season that lasts the whole year or a place with different seasons? 19. Do people in China play the same sports in different seasons of the year? It's really freezing, sunny, cool, breezy, chilly, warm, humid, hot today. If I didn't have to take the Ielts exams, I would prefer to stay at home. Actually, I prefer cloudy days, because then it's not too hot nor too cold. And what's more important to me is that this weather is perfect for photography as the light is so soft. So at this time of day, I like to go out with my camera to keep photos. In my hometown the weather is quite pleasant, neither too hot nor too cold most of the time. Even in winter, the temperature is still quite mild, but the summer is often hot and humid. The bad thing about the weather in my hometown is that it doesn't snow as heavily as it does up north, like in Beijing for example. It does snow, but usually we just go a little bit. Every time I see children having a snowball fight or making a snowman on TV, I really envy them. I believe though China is a vast country, there are 4 district seasons in most places, but unfortunately in recent years, many places are becoming boiling hot in the summer. I guess the change are primarily due to the greenhouse effect, so in this extreme weather, I will really prefer to work at home and the air conditioning is working all day long, and at night, I even sleep on the floor to be cooler. Yes, Nanjing facing more and more oppressive haze, I always keep a waterfall eye on th weather forecast. I installed an app in my mobile phone, a water the PM2.5 indicator, and has become a bit of a routine for me. As for the unusual weather, global warming has really become a hot topic around the world. It is caused by the greenhouse effect, as the sheer volume of carbon dioxide emitted into the air prevents the atmosphere from cooling off at night. As for other unusual weather, hurricanes, which can easily flatter thousands of homes near the coast short period of time, are becoming more common. Well, if I had to choose between the two, I'd probably go with the distinct seasons in each year, because each season has its merits. I think I would get bored if it was warm all year round. No, in spring and autumn, when the temperature is neither too cold nor too hot, people in China tend to hike in the mountains or go running. When it comes to summer, people can choose more physical activities like swimming, camping in the forests and playing balls, but in winter people believe in not suitable for outside exercises. so they prefer to stay at home to keep worms. Okay, that is all for today. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay strong, take care. Always be happy and be kind. See you next time. Bye.